Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the heatwave edition of today's makeup thing. Is this a tutorial? I don't even know. I thought I'd just sit down and do some makeup because I'm going to film a video in a bit anyway. So I was like, oh, I'm going to do makeup anyway. I might as well sit down and have a chat with you and talk you through heatwave makeup. So yeah, the next few videos you're about to see are probably going to be me being very hot and sticky because in the UK, if you didn't know, we don't really have aircon unless you're like money bags. Money bag. But yeah, it's hot. It's very hot in the UK. It's very hot. Like most of you, this is like your winter. Not most of you, but for some of you, this is your winter and this is what you deal with. And I salute you because I'm just a sweaty mess. Hence why I'm in a bikini today, and we are going to be doing some very fresh heatwave makeup. I don't even know what else to call it. It's just, this is going to be my take on, I want to wear makeup, but I don't. Kind of like my Glossier makeup tutorial, but not the same, because otherwise there'd be no point in filming this video. Also features Sleepy Dog, which the Glossier makeup tutorial didn't. So yeah, let's put some makeup on this face. I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy this. So, I've already prepped my skin, and by prepping my skin, I mean I've sweated through the serum that I put on this morning, and I have a nice glow, which has nothing to do with moisturiser. It's just the fact I walked for half an hour in the sunshine to get coffee. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing much else to my actual skin. I'm gonna put like some kind of light base on. It has a little bit of SPF in it. So I've got the Chanel Le Beige Sheer Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturiser. This is kind of new. I picked it up the other day. It's tiny. I love it. I just love it's so small. I'm gonna try this because I haven't tried this yet, and I feel like first impressions on camera are always fun. Ugh. Oh god, every time I open this Fenty Beauty highlighter, my nails go in it. Yeah. Oh, that's a beautiful highlight on my leg though. Okay, I'm gonna bring you in closer. Every time I do this, I wave the bloody brush around and then I drop the foundation. Oh, I've closed it again. Fucker. Okay, move the baby hair out the way. I'm embracing baby hair at the moment. It's everywhere. I used to absolutely hate my baby hair, and I'm just kind of like, I live for it now. It's great. Don't mind it at all. Okay, so this shape is not too bad. Could be better matched to my forehead, but hey ho. It might oxidize a little bit, so this could be fine. This smells amazing. It looks really, ooh, it looks so good. Okay, I like this. The finish of this on my skin is beautiful. It's really like lightweight, but it's evened everything out. So, oh, I've got a little bit of leftover makeup there. It's just evened everything out and made everything look very smooth, which is kind of what I want. I feel like that's the main issue with my skin, is just it's slightly uneven in its texture. Like, I generally like my skin, like it's very well behaved, but I just find that it can look a bit uneven sometimes, and that's really like helped to even everything out. I'm happy with that. It's looking nice and smooth. Blended in really quickly as well. I would say this takes less work than my IT Cosmetics CC cream to blend in. Not as thick though, so that's probably why. I'd say out of the two, I think I prefer this. They're very different. So this is more of a tinted moisturiser, whereas the CC cream is a CC cream. But the CC cream is more like CC cream foundation hybrid. So it's thicker. It's definitely, they're very different products, but if you're looking for a lightweight base, I maybe prefer this one. This is much more of a natural, like the IT Cosmetics CC cream is way more glowy. This is more of a natural finish. It's not super dewy, which I was kind of expecting a lot more dewiness. I'm not mad about this though, I like it. But I would say the YSL is more dewy. Dewy. So yeah, if you want more coverage, IT Cosmetics CC cream. If you want more glow, YSL Touche Eclat Cushion Foundation. And if you want something in the middle, I would recommend this. I'm actually very happy with that. I will probably start using this a lot now. It's basically like the low-key version of the Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow Foundation, which you guys will know was my favourite foundation. Foundation. Oh, okay, 2011 Suzie coming back. Yeah, it's my favourite foundation for a very long time. So very happy to have a light coverage version of it for the summer. I'm just popping a bit of the YSL All Hours concealer just under my eyes, down the centre of, around my nose. Words. And then a little bit on my forehead as well because I've got a couple of scars. And I'm just going to go here as well. I just got slightly uneven skin tone at the moment. Stippling that in with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe complexion brush. I really like this brush. It blends everything in so nicely. So yeah, today I am filming a updated tattoos and piercings video after I've filmed this, so keep an eye out for that. If it's not up already, if it is up already, I will try and remember to link it in the info box. Just taking my concealer over my eyelid as well. I've got a lot of I've got quite veiny eyelids, so I like to conceal them a little bit. Okay, I'm very happy with my skin. It looks great. Yeah, you can just see there's a tiny bit of scarring poking through on my forehead. Damn it. But yeah, other than that, very, very happy. Gonna put some highlighter on now. What I'm gonna do, why am I talking like this? Okay, so I'm gonna take this highlightery shade here. I'm gonna run that over my eyes. Basically, I'm gonna slap on a load of highlighter on my face because I really feel like it today. And then I'm gonna take this other shade and I'm gonna mix it with this one. And then I'm just gonna take that over the top part of my cheekbones and up onto my temple. Ooh. And then just take the leftover down a little bit, but I mostly like my highlight to be around here. I find it just lifts my face. The mix of the two of them together makes such a nice, like, subtle highlighty shade. I say subtle. I've just caught that in my mirror, like, oh, hey. And the rest of that down my nose. And a little bit on my chin. And then I'm just gonna dab over my forehead with my foundation brush because I feel like that was a bit too intense for my liking. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm just actually gonna take a mixture of the two again and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner because I love an inner corner highlight. Oh, hello. Yes. Pretty. Okay, love that. Just gonna run the leftover under my brow bone. So my face is officially covered in highlighter. Next, I'm gonna bronze a little bit. I'm gonna be using a mixture of the Too Faced chocolate bronzer and then MAC's Give Me Sun. I've been using this since my YouTube channel started. Back to using it again. Had a few years where I didn't really see the sun because I was working so much, so I couldn't use it, but we are back to 2011 Suzie, who was very tanned. So I'm just dropping that over my cheeks. I'm using another IT Cosmetics brush. Their brushes are amazing. This is the Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush number 4 anyway. And I like this because it really fits nicely into my cheekbone. Fits really nicely into that shape. Just gives like a nice shape to the face, but also bronzes really nicely as well. The mixture of these two is great because this is currently more of a like ashy tone on me because my skin tone goes very warm when I tan, and then this is like not great for giving any definition, but it's great for giving warmth to your skin. So just using a mixture of both of them, which is bloody lovely. Yeah, just bronzing up my face, and then I just take a little bit of that around my neck as well and underneath my chin, on my ears as well, because no one wants like different colour ears, especially when your ears are so close to like obviously where you put your bronzer. You can really tell the difference if you go heavy on the bronzer on your cheeks and then don't put any on your ears. I'm gonna put some more highlighter on. I'm gonna use MAC's Double Gleam and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner and then also on the centre of my eyelid. Wow, I love this highlighter. I just want this to be like a super shimmery, glowy, bright look. I'm hoping someone knows what I'm trying to say. Oh man, I've just stuck my nail in my highlighter again. Okay. Now I'm going to do brows. I'm using the Benefit Brow Gel. Love this stuff. You guys will know I've been using this on and off for a very long time. I use the little brush it comes with. It's great. And now that my hair is a little bit darker, like, I mean, the dye is kind of washing out, but when it was darker, this was so good, because it's a very nice, I use shade 6, which is the darkest, and it's a very dark ashy brown. So I'm gonna try and make these not look too overboard, but no matter how natural they look in real life, they are always going to look super dark on camera. This always happens. My eyebrows just do this on camera. I can't. They look normal or super dark. There is no in between. That's pretty much it. That was the quickest I think I've ever done my eyebrows. I'm happy with that. The next eyebrow is not gonna be the same, because this one is my nemesis. Yeah, see, this does not look the same. It always has a better arch though. Oh. I am just going to leave them there because I don't want to go too overboard with them today. I'm just going to use a little bit of brow gel, and I'm going to pray that this kind of makes them look a bit more like they're kind of marginally related. Who knows? Miracles maybe can happen. We'll find out. Find out in the next installment of Susie's eyebrows. Oh wow, okay. This is not how I wanted this to go. They are a lot bigger than I had anticipated. It's kind of okay when you can see my hair, because it doesn't look so scary. But when you can't see my head and my hair and I just look like a little bald egg with eyebrows, it's a bit disconcerting. I can't decide what to do with my eyes. Part of me wants to do eyeliner, and then part of me is like, I cannot be bothered. I'm going to say no for this video, but we all know in about 5 seconds I'm going to put eyeliner on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of inspiration from my Glossier tutorial, and I'm going to tight line. I use a felt tip liner for this. You can use whatever liner you feel comfortable with. We all know I'm a little bit of a cowboy when it comes to makeup, and I'll stick any kind of eyeliner anywhere. Does that sound weird? So yeah, I'm not scared of poking myself in the eye with eyeliner, but if you are, maybe don't use a felt tip liner. I'll just skip this bit. It's not entirely necessary. Mascara! This is my favourite mascara, especially for when I'm not wearing eyeliner. Just in general though, I just love it. But oh, this is a very precarious situation I've got going on here. I'm gonna drop that. This just gives the flutteriest lashes. I love it, and I wear this basically every single day. Like, I will not leave the house without it, just because it makes me feel cute and fluttery, and who doesn't want to feel like that? That's one coat, guys. That is one coat. Now this eye, given that this is my good side, this eye always has the crappiest eyelashes, so they're not going to look as good on this side, but still love this mascara. So pretty. So fluttery. And then, as always, I'm gonna do my bottom lashes as well. This year I've just become obsessed with putting mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to put some lip liner on now. I've got lip liner and I've got a load of new lipsticks. Lipsticks is the word. So I'm gonna try something new. I don't know what yet. Maybe this. This looks like it could be nice. Is that gonna be nice or 290s? I can't tell. What did I use the other day that I liked? Oh, the coffee one. Yeah. Coffee in my cup or something like that by MAC. That was good. Anyway, I'm using Spice lip liner. This is a little bit warmer than I would normally use. I'm a big fan of the Mariah Carey lip liner that MAC did. It's like really cool toned and very brown. It's basically almost my natural lip colour. This is much warmer, but it's kind of nice for a summery look. A little bit pinkier. So I apply it quite roughly and then just blend in with my finger. And I kind of don't know if I wanted something a bit lighter on my lips in hindsight. So I'm going to use the Chanel Healthy Glow Le Beige Lip Balm. I'm just going to put that over the top. This is super like sheer and light. So nice. I've been using this for years. It's really nice and easy as well when you're in the sun, because you don't need lip liner with it. If you don't want to, you can literally just use it like a lip balm, but it's got like the nicest pinky tint to it. So pretty. It looks really nice with this lip liner as well. I feel it's just like I'm just gonna pat that in, and then that will be it for me. Yeah, I like that. I like it. So because it's mega hot, I'm gonna use a makeup setting spray. This is the Armani This is the Armani Prima Refreshing Makeup Fix. You can use any, Max Fix Plus is great. I don't know where my Fix Plus went, but I would use that. I'd happily use that, or the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray is also very, very good. I feel that there's a, is it the NYX one? The NYX one is good as well. Oh, I have that actually, I want to use that. Hold please. Okay, back again. So this is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, something like that. Ooh, that worked a treat. Yeah. I feel like I need a bit more on this side. The side of my face doesn't feel wet enough. So yeah, that is gonna be it from me. I'm sufficiently dewy, set. I feel like if you start out looking like a glow ball, your face over the course of the day doesn't really change. So that's my approach to highlighter in the summer, is just go for it. Just go for it. This is the close-up. So that is it for today's, what do you call this? Global heatwave summer makeup. Not a tutorial. Maybe it's to get ready with me. Who knows? Who knows what this was? But yeah, that is it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed this not a tutorial. I hope you're having a really nice day. If you're in the UK, I hope you're having a nice heat wave. Actually, wherever you are, I hope you're enjoying some nice hot weather. But yeah, that is going to be it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and for all of the love on my recent videos. To those of you that leave nice comments, I love you all very, very much. Thank you so much. But yeah, that is going to be it for me today. I love you a lot, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.